सो हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज संडे है और आज हमें एक चैलेंज शूट करना था। अभी कल से अमित की तबीयत खराब है क्योंकि अमित ने कल बहुत ही स्पाइसी मोमोज खा लिए थे और सत्या टाउन में नहीं है, सत्या आउट ऑफ टाउन गई हुई है। तो वी कुड नॉट हैव एनी पार्टिसिपेंट। दिस इज फॉर यू। इफ you want to participate in my videos, you can comment down and I'll let you know if we can do it or not. We can collab or we can do a video together and of course if it will be my video, I'll pay for it and you just have to eat or do crazy stuff with me. Otherwise, let's move forward. तो आज के कंटेंट का आइडिया है कि I will eat, I will order whatever random people asks me to. So I'll ask random people and whatever they will tell me to order, I'll order the same. कैसा रहेगा?
बढ़िया।
इससे दो चीज होगा, एक मेरा दिमाग खराब नहीं होगा कि मुझे क्या ऑर्डर करना है, और दूसरा लेट्स सी हाउ दीज पीपल विल रिएक्ट इन पटना, बिकॉज इन पटना आई डोंट थिंक पीपल आर दैट कंफर्टेबल. सो लेट्स सी कि if they will really order something good for me or not. So I have been getting here and then this is the ambience I'm looking into. मैं कुछ सी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. तो सबसे पहले ना वो तो भैया हैं, हम सबसे पहले पूछेंगे हमारे भैया से कि वो जो ऑर्डर लेंगे उन्हीं से पूछते हैं कि वो क्या हमको सजेस्ट करेंगे. सजेस्ट करिए हमको क्या खाना चाहिए आज यहाँ पे.
कॉफी पीजिए.
कॉफी पिए. कौन सा कॉफी?
कैपुचिनो.
कैपुचिनो. ठीक है, ओके. भैया पूरा घबरा गया था. भैया हमसे बोल रहे हैं कि काची के लिए रिकॉर्ड की है. अब हम सब कुछ रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं कि आई एम ऑल अलोन. ऐसा कैमरा मैन मेरे पास है नहीं. आज कुछ भी नहीं है. इट्स ऑल अलोन ऑन मी. तो ठीक है, पहला रैंडम पर्सन वाज द वेटर. तो अभी वो एक कैपुचिनो ला रहा है. दैट इज गुड. स्टार्टिंग इज गुड. हम कैपुचिनो से शुरू करेंगे. नाउ लेट्स सी. अभी पूरा कैफे ऑलमोस्ट खाली है. 1-2 लोग और हैं. सो पूरा और भरेगा जब तक मैं कॉफी पीती हूँ. देन वी विल आस्क समबडी फॉर व्हाट टू ऑर्डर एट स्टार्टर्स एंड तब तक थोड़ा सा काम कर लेते हैं. तो गाइस काम तो चलता रहेगा. इसके साथ में अभी क्या हुआ है ना कि मुझे भूख भी बहुत लगी है. तो अब भूख बहुत ज़्यादा लगी है. तो पीछे देख रहे हो आप, कुछ लोग बैठे हैं. उनसे पूछती हूँ कि कैन आई आस्क देम फॉर अ यूट्यूब वीडियो. विल दे वाउच फॉर मी? विल दे गिव मी एनी ऑफ दोज आइटम्स टू ईट as a breakfast item? So let's see. I'll go and I'll ask them and I'll let you know. So let's go and let's see if they would initiate and they would help me. And I'm getting my extra mic for her. So let's see. I hope I don't get roasted, but yeah. Hi, can I shoot you in my video? Yeah, of course. Okay. Yeah, it is fits. Your mic. Thank you. So I have a small YouTube channel named She Speaks Odds. And I make very small content about challenges and everything in Patna. So I just wanted to ask you, if you have your mic close, so what should I order for breakfast or something, because I'm working and I'm hungry.
So like I come to this cafe every time whenever I'm lonely or whenever this cafe is my favorite spot.
Okay.
And the first thing I order here is a choco brownie shake. It is very tasty. You can have it. And in food, I don't taste things, but you can have some chili baby corn maybe.
Chili baby corn, yeah. Okay, so we'll have chili baby corn. What's your name?
Astuti.
Astuti. Thank you so much, Astuti, for helping me over here, because it's really a thing to ask strangers, right? So we are ordering
Chili baby corn and choco brownie shake.
brownie shake. Okay.
Thank you.
So our cappuccino has come. How that वो उन्होंने बोला था ना, like the waiter. तो cappuccino तो आ गया है. अभी स्तुति ने बोला कि we should order a choco brownie shake and a baby corn chili. तो 2 ड्रिंक्स हो जाएंगे, लेकिन क्या बोल सकती हूँ मैं इतनी ज़्यादा एम्बैरेस थी ना. So let's like ऐसा order choco brownie shake and chili baby corn and let's eat and let's see how much we can do. Yeah, sir. भैया एक चोको ब्राउनी शेक और एक चिली बेबी कॉर्न कर दीजिए. So let's enjoy our cappuccino and then it will come. Meanwhile, I'll show you how it tastes and how it is and then yeah, it is a little embarrassing, you know. मतलब वैसे लोगों के पास जा करके बोलना ना बहुत ही ऐसा फटती है. But yeah, you do things and I'm doing it for YouTube, so I hope YouTube will help me. I can have it. Like cappuccino अच्छा है इनका. It's not bad. it's good. So let's wait for our order, and in meanwhile we'll work again and we'll get some things more sorted if we could. Right, so you people stay here and let me do my work. भैया आ गए हैं लेके. हाँ सर्व कर दीजिए, बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा दीजिएगा, 2 चम्मच. So while we were having our coffee, this is choco brownie shake what Stuti suggested us. This looks fancy by the way. And bas काफी है. This is chili baby corn. So it's in a huge quantity, but I cannot eat that much. I've asked him to give me only some. I'll show you. Can you see? Baby corn. Let's try the shake first. ठीक है, but it is also good, like it's a good order. Yeah, ठीक है, तो we'll have this baby corn chili. Chili baby corn. It's nice, it's decent. It's decent and it's spicy and crispy at the same time. Oh, I like it. So meanwhile, I have a meeting to attend. That is a 1.5 hour meeting. So ये meeting करने के बाद we will order something ऐसा for lunch. So we have started our class now. The meeting has ended and now we are in the class of MBA IIT. You know, I am doing a lot of things. So I'll show you. It's IIT. This class is corporate social responsibilities. I'll show you a little of it. So guys, it is around 2:42 if you could say. तो अभी lunch का time हो गया and although we have a lot, but let's see. अभी lunch के लिए कुछ order करते हैं and I could see somebody sitting over there all alone. और भी लोग हैं but let's ask this person क्योंकि अकेले है ना. And as we are a little shy, this is our first video, so we'll go to him and we will just ask if we can shoot him and we'll ask to order something. Okay, so let's go. I'm taking one more mic with me and I'll ask. Okay. Hey, hi. Can I cover you in my YouTube video? Okay. This is Mike. Let's see. You can take it. I have another one. Yeah. So Dheeraj, actually I am a YouTube creator and I make challenge videos. So today is asking strangers to order for me. So would you suggest something for lunch? The mic is over there. Your voice is not coming, Dheeraj. Can you sit back a little? Yeah.
Or like you can try white sauce pasta.
For lunch?
Yeah.
White sauce pasta you suggest? Okay. White sauce pasta with something or...
No, only white sauce pasta.
White sauce pasta. Okay, thank you so much, Dheeraj. So we are gonna ordering the white sauce pasta for lunch today. Thank you. Thank you so much. My channel name is She Speaks Odds. Thank you. So we will order white sauce pasta now, है ना, for lunch. पता नहीं how will it be because white sauce. I was expecting कि lunch में he would say something rice, something roti because this cafe offers a lot of lunch items, है ना, but he said white sauce pasta. So let's see, let's have white sauce pasta and let's see how it goes. भैया white sauce pasta कर दीजिए और veg. Let's wait for it to come. Meanwhile, I'll complete my meeting. I have got my plate and he is getting the white sauce pasta. Let's see how it is. भैया डाल रहे हैं. मेरा तो पेट इतना भरा है ना. You see, this is still over here ऐसे ही. थोड़ा सा नमक भी ज़्यादा था. And then I'm done with the cappuccino, but yeah, इतना ही लेता. बस भैया, बाकी आप रख दो, ले लूँगी. So white sauce pasta have come. Let's taste this and let's see what is the winner for today. Which I can. So let's try the white sauce pasta and let's understand the taste of it. Actually, they have given 2 garlic breads also, but this is not garlic bread. ऐसे garlic bread देते हैं. I could say this is just toasted bread. So toasted bread है साथ में. And then I ordered veg. So veg में they have pasta, sweet corn. I could see red pepper and bell pepper. Actually, red and green bell pepper. You can see how does it taste. I can literally taste the sauce. मतलब वो taste के अंदर मैदा डाला है. But overall, it is nice. मतलब बहुत मीठा नहीं है. So we are done with our lunch. In lunch we had वही white sauce pasta जो उन्होंने दिया था. So next ना there is one more बंदा. ऐसे तो this is a whole full place and I don't want to show everybody. और यहाँ पे एक फिरंगी कपल भी बैठा है and I'm not getting that much वो confidence वो फिरंगी कपल के पास जाने के लिए. If you guys give me more and more views and more likes on this one, no, then I will do a proper go. ऐसा बेशरम हो करके. If this video goes to 1000 views, I'll do this again and then I'll do everything. तो ना थोड़ा सा वो insecurity भी है कि कहीं गाली ना खा जाए. तो ना वहाँ पे ना जहाँ पे पहले मैंने शूट किया था उसके बगल वाले जगह पे I could see there is a man sitting और वो अकेला बैठा है. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि पूरा की पूछूँ कैसे करके. Now I don't know how he react, but ठीक है देखते हैं. अभी शाम हो गई है तो let's have a treat and let's complete this video over here. Okay, if you could see that person, he is sitting over there. So let me see. वो देख भी रहा है भाई. ऐसा ना हो जाए कि अपन मार खा जाए. But ठीक, let's go and let's see. Excuse me. मैं एक YouTube क्रिएटर हूँ और बस छोटी YouTube क्रिएटर हूँ. तो मैं ना एक वीडियो बना रही थी asking strangers if they are comfortable giving me a good recommendation for foods. So will you be comfortable coming in my video? So I had breakfast, I had lunch, and now I'm searching for something sweet. So what could you suggest? What is your name, by the way?
Soil lemon.
Soil Lemon. Thank you, Soil, for helping me in this video. And आप अगर कुछ स्वीट के लिए सजेस्ट कर सकें.
खाने में
हाँ, खाने में कुछ मीठा खाने के बाद. I had white sauce pasta for lunch and now
brownie with ice cream.
brownie with ice cream. Okay, done. So thank you so much for coming into my video. Yeah. So my YouTube channel is She Speaks Odds. So we are ending this video with brownie and ice cream. That is great, man. We had a lot of brownie today because it was in the shake also. So let's order this. एक brownie with ice cream, please. So we have got our brownie with ice cream and we will enjoy it. And let me tell you the taste first. About the presentation, it is looking very beautiful. Can you see? ब्राउनी और आइसक्रीम हमारा वो बचपन का फेवरेट हुआ करता था ना. यम्मी. वो इट इज रियली और डेडली. लाइक ऐसा ब्राउनी एकदम गरम गरम ना. लाइक अ गुड एंड. दैट गाय सजेस्टेड मी समथिंग रियली गुड मैन. ये मैं पूरा खा सकती हूँ. So let's end this video on a very good note. We had really tasty food today. We tried the cappuccino. We had one more drink. We had chili, garlic, something crispy baby corn. We had white sauce pasta, and at last we're having the most delicious brownie and ice cream. I don't know if it is visible to you, but it is yummy. So I'm ending the video over here. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to She Speaks Odds. Thank you.